Hi folks, welcome to our new Arcadis office here at Queen and Collins. Embracing our new flexible way of work, the office has been designed on the principles of collaboration and flexibility, and it shifts the focus from where we work to how we work together. Our new space caters to a range of work styles and is a great hub for collaboration and innovation, and equally importantly, it's a great place for us to socialise and congregate. It's a really iconic Melbourne building that's steeped in architectural heritage, and it offers Arcadians a great range of amenities and loads of additional collaboration spaces so we can engage with our clients in different ways. Collaboration for us means collaboration amongst Arcadians, but most importantly, collaboration with our clients. So why don't you drop in and say hello to us?